Here we go. We have a question, left view of binary tree. So we have given a binary tree and we have to return left view of it. Left view of binary tree is a set of nodes visible when a tree is visited from left side. The task is to compute the function left view, which accepts the root of a tree as argument. If no left view is visible, return an empty tree. So if we have this tree, so if we view this tree from left hand side, so the node is visible is 1, 2, 4 and 8. So we return in a list format. In this case 1 and 3 is visible. In this case 10, 20 and 40 is visible. So let's build the approach. Suppose we have this tree. So the left view, right view, top view and bottom view can be solved using BFS and DFS also. So I will tell you both the algorithms. First, starting with BFS. This is level number 1, and in this level we are only interested in the first node. So we will take this node. In this level we are only interested in first node. So we will take out this node and store into a list. We are only interested in this node, but this node may be useful for the next level. So we will not ignore the other nodes, we will use it for the next level. So we will store the current node into our answer list. Next, for this level this node is useful, so we will add into a list. So if root is not null, means we have something, so we add this into a root. Next one, so its left and right child we have. Next, its left hand child we have. Then its left and right child, only 4 right child is have. So we will take out this node. So this is levels, and in the iteration if I is 0, means this is the first node that we have, so we'll add into a answer list. So that's how this algorithm will work. Let's code this. First we have a queue, then we add our root node into a queue for level or traversal. Next we have answer list. If a root is null, so directly return your empty list. Else iterate till queue is not empty, find its size because we want to do level or traversal. So iterate till n and pop out the node. If I is 0, means this is the first node, then add the data into the answer list. So we have taken out our first node. It's time to add left and right child. So pop out node, if its left child is not null, add into your queue. Right child is not null, add into your queue. At the end, return your answer. So this is about the BFS. Let's talk about DFS. How can we solve this question using DFS? Let me build this tree again. So we will iterate using DFS, and we are interested in left hand side nodes. So first we take this current node, then we go left hand side. So first we have node, then we go to left hand side, else we go to right hand side. So we want to do pre-ordered traversal. First we give it a level, its level is 1. If we go either left hand side or right hand side, we increment our level. So its level is 2. its level is 3 and its level is 4. Initially the list is empty and first we encounter this node. So in this case size, which is 0, is less than the level. If size is less than the level, then we need to add, means this is the new level node. So we add. Next we go to this node. Now size, list size is less than level. Size is 1, level is 2. So we will add this. Next we go to left hand side. Size is 2, level is 3. So we add. Next we go to left hand side, it is null. So we go to right hand side. Size is 3, level is 4. So we will add it. Next go up. For now it's time for 2 right. 2 right. So now list size list size is 4. So 4 is not less than 3. So we will not consider this node. It's time for 1 right. We have a node 3. Its level is 2. Our size is 4. 4 is not less than 2. We will not consider this node. Next, if we go to left hand side, our size is still 4. Level is 3. If you go to right hand side, level is still 4. Size is 4. Level is 3. We will not consider this node. Suppose we have any other node here. Its level is 4. So our size is 4 and the level is also 4. Means this level node, this the level is 4 and this level node we have already considered. So we ignore this node. So that's how we fill our nodes into a list. Let's code this. We have a answer and we apply pre-order traversal, passing root, answer and level. Initially level is 1 and return answer. We are getting our arguments. If root is null, directly return it. If answer size is less than level, means we need to add the current node. This is the new node that occurring in a new level. Next go to left hand side with level plus 1 and go to right hand side with level plus 1. That's how DFS algorithm will work. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. I hope you learned something new. If you find this video informative, please like and subscribe, and thank you all for watching.